Since 1999, Cobham has been one of the earliest manufacturers in China to research and produce GPS tracker. Our products are sold in more than 170 countries and regions in the world. Model 401 is the most basic 4G tracker with fewer features than the 403, such as no function of SOS, door alarm, voice listening, and fuel sensor option. It's suitable for real-time positioning and anti-theft protection for motorcycles. Get in touch now for a quotation.